Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to find your Gmail password. There is no option to find your Gmail password. So go to your phone settings and scroll down. Click on Google. And now click on email address. Click on manage your Google account. And now go to security. Now scroll down. Click on password manager. If you want to find your Google password, then click on Google. Now you can be your password here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.